Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing sulfate free conditioning carrot shampoo today. We will be needing 4 carrots for this shampoo. We'll be needing Castile soap as our base soap. This is the remaining from all the 5 kilo Castile soap I've got. Extra virgin olive oil, Jasmine scented oil, pure almond oil, peppermint essential oil for cleansing the scalp and giving it some treats to treat dandruff, and rose essential oil for the scent. We'll be needing a spatula, a collecting jar, measuring spoons, grater, and the bottle. We start by grating the carrot to make it easier for blending. I have 2 ml of water here. I'll be adding it to the blender to blend the carrots through. After blending the carrots, I sieved it through to take out the juice from the chaff. With the carrot juice, I added the remaining of the Castile soap, two spoons of olive oil, two spoons of jasmine scented oil, two spoons of pure almond oil, and 1 spoon of castor oil. Here is my essential oil, peppermint, for treating the scalp and treating dandruff and for hair growth, stimulating hair growth. This is rose essential oil for the scent and growth stimulation too. Mixing all the oils together, my shampoo is made. Castile soap is a basic soap made with coconut and sunflower. It's very natural and used as a soap base in natural soap making. It's ideal for making a sulfate-free shampoo. Here are some of the benefits of carrots on our natural hair. Carrots are filled to the brim with nutrients like vitamin A, K, C, B6, B1, B3, B2, fiber, potassium, and phosphorus. They don't only do wonders for your hair, but also delay aging process and give you better skin and improve your overall health. Vitamin A richness in carrots helps in stimulating sebum production, which conditions your scalp and help combat hair loss. They are also capable of improving the overall strength of your hair and making it thicker and shinier. The vitamin B, C, E, magnesium, and phosphorus found in carrot improve the blood circulation in your scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. Regular consumption of carrot or using it in your hair products can prevent premature graying of your hair. You can see for yourself the effectiveness of this carrot shampoo, how it works well on the hair. It foams and lathers very well, cleansing the hair very well, enriching the hair with all the good qualities it contains and all the pack of vitamins and minerals, making the hair stronger, thicker, shinier, stimulating the scalp to produce more hair and preventing hair loss in the process. It is 100% natural and free from sulfates. We know sulfates can damage hair, with the salt content in it, making the hair hard, making the shaft to be breaking at any moment with any slight movement. But with 100% natural shampoo like this, you get your hair growing without breakage. The hair is well cleansed here, well washed here. The scalp is very neat here as I controlled. So it's a quality shampoo to try out. You can get Castile soap online, eBay, Amazon, or any online trading. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep my bell on. More videos will be coming on your way. Bye. See you.